Welcome, everybody. Oh, I know you're so excited for another one of these videos. Yes, we're back again, cooking with your Lord Chonkers. Oh, not the right clothing. Assistant, may you pass me my clothing? Perfect, just what we like to see. So today, me, your Lord Chonkers, and our beautiful assistant Pebbles, say hi to the crowd.
Hi.
We today are working together to build you a pistachio chocolate, what's it called?
BUNT cake.
Butt cake.
BUNT cake.
Butt cake. And it is going to be immaculate. So let's go with the ingredients, shall we? First, we're gonna need 1 cup of water.
Half cup.
Half a cup of water. Next, we're gonna need 1 cup of sour cream. That smells good. Is that good?
I'm good.
You want to taste?
No, I'm
Okay. You want to lick it?
No.
Lick the spoon.
I'm good.
Do you want to lick the spoon?
No, thank you.
Okay, well, it's here if you want to lick it.
Thank you.
Perfect. We have half a cup of sour cream in this 1 cup.
It smells so bad.
Now we're going to need half a cup of oil. Thank you, my assistant. Now we're... Oh, look at that. Wow. Now we're going to need 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3. There's only 3. Can you pass me a 4th?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, perfect. Thank you. And 4 eggs. Now for the most important ingredient that we need are the mains. You're going to pick your favorite pudding and your favorite cake box mix. So today we're gonna go for a pistachio chocolate cake mix. So we're gonna have a chocolate cake base and a pistachio pudding. These sponsored by Betty Crocker. Now all of these ingredients combined will create the most amazing cake. So me and my assistant will be making this cake for you step by step. So take a look at camera number 2. We're gonna just start cooking, shall we? Okay, so Pebbles, how are we gonna mix this together? What do we start with first? You list it out to me and I will mix it because I'm the chef. So as an assistant, you tell me what to do and I do it.
We're gonna go with the dry ingredients first and then add in the wet ingredients.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna start with dry. So the first thing we're gonna start with is the cake mix, or should we start with the pudding?
Either or.
Okay, we're gonna start with the cake mix. So we have the cake mix. Now, can you give me a piece of scissors? I can't do this. We're gonna work together on this. Good job. And just pour it in?
Yep.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now we put in the Jello mix, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Give it a slap. Just 1. Perfect. That smells really good, actually. It smells really good. Okay, so now we have both mixes in here. What are we gonna do now?
You can whisk them together if you want.
Okay. Mix them up. Just to blend them together?
Yeah.
Perfect. What's next?
I don't know.
All right. We are going to add these eggs. You want to help me out? I don't know. I'll do one, you do one. shit, I didn't mean. Oh, fuck. I should have moved that happened. We'll clean that up.
It's okay.
No, we'll clean it up after.
I know.
This is our kitchen. We make it what we want, okay? Okay, so now we're going to mix it together.
You can add some.
What?
You can add some more
Okay.
liquid.
Some more? S'mores.
S'mores.
I love s'mores. How about we work it like I'm the beater, right? I'm beating it.
Sure.
You're gonna add the oil. Yeah. More liquids. This doesn't look right. No!
You need to mix it a bit better.
What? Overdrive! Who knew making a cake would be so
I did.
physical intense?
I bake.
Oh. Bake these nuts. Now we put sour cream. You want some help?
No. Yeah.
Oh.
Sure. Oh.
No! Remember, kids, baking a cake is having fun. That's the most important part. Okay, perfectly mixed, as you can see. Look at this lovely dish. That's right. Yeah. So now we're going to portion it into a pre-oiled butt pan. So in order for you to know it's a butt pan, it's got this big asshole right there. Butt pan, okay? I'm gonna start maybe we should put this over here. Out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna need your phone.
Yep.
I'm gonna pour it. Oh, that's a thick consistency. Look at that. Oh, it's like a lot of energy. Hey! No! Now, since we have finished the butt pan and filling it up, we're gonna shake it a little bit, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
shake it a little bit.
Lightly pop out any air
Like
bubbles.
lightly hit the table?
Hit the table.
Hit the table, okay.
Hit the table.
There is an oven over there, which we shall put our cake into the oven for 350, and we're gonna set it for, how long? We're gonna put it in there for 40 to 40 minutes.
Yes.
Hey. Ow! So now we shall wait. Well, it's been quite some time actually. We forgot to record the outro, so let's take a look at this awesome cake. Wow! I can't believe only half came out. Stop that. That's so weird. How does that recipe do that? Does it only make half a cake?
It must be the. I mean, I can't see.
Storm! Stop that! Here it is, guys. Look at this beautiful cake we have all made for you. Look at that. Amazing. Would you not want something as delicious as this? Well, thank you all so much for watching. Me and Pebbles have made this for you. So stay tuned for the next one, and maybe we'll do some games for you all. Till then, stay thick, stay chonky, stay beautiful like this cake, and we'll see you in the next.